Hi Angela, this is Mark. So I was going to show you some of what I do to show my kids how it works. What you're seeing on the screen is my laptop running the Mindstorm's EV3 educational software. And this is one of the projects they use called Stop at Object. It's using the ultrasonic sensor to measure distance. And this area here gives you kind of a tutorial on what the robot is going to do. So if you press play, you can see it's 17 centimeters, it comes down to 6, and that's when it stops, and then backs up to 12. Now, if you look up here, you see where it says 1 of 5. 2 of 5 is your building instructions to build that little rover you saw there. And you can follow those along in the screen. They also have it in the book. 3 of 5, this is the programming interface. So this shows you, okay, this block is the unlimited moving. Keep moving forward until the ultrasonic is 11 centimeters. And then you stop. And this is the stop. And then you wait 1 second. You're going to move backwards until you are 6 centimeters away from where you stopped, and stop again. So you can actually click on those 3 chunks, do this, and then this chunk does this, and these chunks do that. So it really gives you kind of a, here is how everything is laid out. 4 of 5 lets you kind of recreate it on your own. So you're going to come down here. Here is the move steering, and you have your different ways of moving on for rotations of the wheel, and you want to stress that to your staff and to students. It's not rotations of the robot, it's rotations of the wheel, on for degrees of the wheel, on for a set number of seconds, or on unlimited. So we're going to set it on unlimited, matching the example. And then the orange section are your controls. We're going to take one of these, and everything is controlled by these little drop-down menus. So we want to come down here to an ultrasonic sensor, change distance in centimeters. I'm going to bring this down a little bit so that we can see it. You can click this box to close the editor, open it back up there. Okay, so I want this to be decreasing by 11 centimeters. So it's going to take your initial measurement and then keep going until you've decreased 11 centimeters. You can also change that to inches or whatever you would like. And then we come here and we have to tell it to stop. That is our stop. And then we can wait for 1 second. And the nice thing is, it's kind of a little off. We're going to direction as far as driving forward or backward is your power. If you're positive power, it's going forward. Negative power is going backwards. So this is forward, here's our backwards. Again, an unlimited, but we're being controlled by our wait statement. Ultrasonic, change distance. And we want this to be, I got it backwards. Increase 6 centimeters, and then stop. So your programming is literally, can you look at the block, figure out what the block is telling you to do, and then the robot will do that. 5 of 5 is the blank slate. Can you make it go farther, closer? Can you make it go faster, make it go slower? What if you turn in a circle? What if all of these other things? So the guides here are really a good place to start if you've never done it before, but you really want to get the students to push it a little farther. You always want them using their creativity to come up with the solution ideas. So that's kind of how it works. We'll go from there. So I'll talk to you in a little bit. Bye.